Good morning, traders. John Caruso coming to you here for April 1st with your currency outlook for today. First, we're going to take a look back in the overnight. We did see some weak data come out of China. Chinese manufacturing still continues to slide. However, we're not seeing that reflect in the U.S. stock market this morning. We do see futures considerably higher right off the open. Looking at the U.S. dollar, we're not seeing much action there. When I take a look at the chart, I do believe that the U.S. dollar is vulnerable to some setbacks at these levels. Right now, we're trading about 80.18, down 7.5 on the morning. We did hear from Janet Yellen yesterday. She did give a dovish speech, pretty much in a nutshell, saying that the Feds must remain supportive to the economy. So we'll see what that does for the dollar here in the near term. We do have support coming in at 80.11 this morning, which I do believe is going to serve as a near-term pivot point. If we drop through 80.11, I think we could potentially see 79.92 to 79.85 here in the short term. On the high side, we do have resistance coming in at 80.41. There's a nice trend line that you could draw through that level. Looking at the euro, 138.04. We are up 28 ticks on the morning. We have seen over the past couple of sessions the euro post higher highs and higher lows, which is a near-term bullish indicator. However, Thursday is going to be a wild card. We have the ECB coming out. There's been some whispers that they could potentially cut interest rates. Many traders are starting to discount any fresh stimulus moves from the ECB coming in on Thursday. But be careful whether you're playing that market long or short into that number. You may want to look at hedging yourself. Going to take a look at the British pound real quick. We have seen a long-term bullish move up in the British pound. I do believe with the weak PMI number that we just saw come out, it could be vulnerable to some setbacks here in the near term. However, I still think longer term, very bullish in the British pound. So perhaps look for a setback to 165.80 in the near term. That's all I have for you this morning. Feel free to give me a call anytime, 800-669-5354. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.